I was walking down the road all alone last night. The moon was shining and the stars were bright. The world seemed so peaceful, as still as a mouse, till I got to the neighborhood of Haunted House. Had a feeling something funny was a-going on. I noticed I was far from being alone. I overheard a ghost to another say, let's do the haunted house boogie in a ghostly way. Well, my knees started knocking, I almost froze. I started to tremble from head to toes. Remembered all the times when I used to boast what I'd do if I ever met a real live ghost. From the shadows came figures a-floating through the air. Through the window I could see them all gathered in there. Suddenly I heard the shuffle, yes, the shuffle of their feet, doing the haunted house boogie with a ghostly beat. Well, I hadn't been a-drinking, so it must have been true. You might not believe it, but I'm telling you. My heart started pounding and I shut my eyes. Then I said, dear Lord, I'm much too young to die. Well, I finally got up courage enough at last. I got away from there and I got away fast, until I couldn't hear the shuffle of their feet, doing the haunted house boogie with a ghostly beat. Well, my knees started knocking and I almost froze. I started to tremble from my head to toes. Remembered all the times when I used to boast what I'd do if I ever met a real live ghost.